Welcome to Factic. Today we're diving into something that's small but super exciting. It's the new DJI Flip 2 drone. This one is built for people who want power and portability in one simple package. Whether you're into capturing amazing views or just love flying for fun, this drone might be what you're looking for. The Flip 2 takes everything good from the older model and makes it better. It still folds down to a small size so you can carry it in your bag or even your pocket. But now it's tougher, easier to handle and packed with smarter features. The camera is better, the flying is smoother, and the controls are more beginner-friendly. And even if you've flown drones for a while, this one still gives you the tools you need to capture top-level footage. If you're looking for something that works great indoors, outdoors, on the go, or just around the neighborhood, the Flip 2 looks like it's built for it all. And today we're going to explore why this might be one of the best compact drones we've seen yet. Let's start with the design because that's one of the biggest highlights of the Flip 2. It sticks to the foldable body that made the first version so easy to carry, but now it's even smaller and more durable. It measures around 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters when fully opened, and it weighs less than 250 grams. This makes it super light and easy to fly without needing a lot of setup or licenses. In most places, the propellers are fully enclosed, which is a big deal for safety. It protects the drone and the people around you. Whether you're flying it indoors or outside, and because of the better design, it cuts through the air with less drag so flights feel more stable and smooth inside. The Flip 2 is a 1/1 0.3-inch sensor that captures 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This means your shots come out sharp and colorful, no matter the time of day or lighting around you. It also supports RAW photo formats, which gives you more options when editing later on. With an 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom, you can switch between big, wide landscapes and close-up action with no trouble at all. The drone is powered by a 3110 mAh battery, and that gives you around 30 minutes of flight time on a full charge. That's enough to get all the shots you want without rushing. And if you use the new charging hub, you can power up multiple batteries at once, which means less waiting and more flying. What really sets the Flip 2 apart, though, is the AI upgrades. There's Active Track, which helps the drone follow a subject and keep it in the center of your frame. You don't need to adjust anything by hand, so it's perfect for filming yourself or fast-moving scenes. Plus, there are quick shot modes like Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight that let you capture cinematic footage with just a tap. The Flip 2 also has new LED lights that improve visibility at night or in low-light spots. This helps you stay in control and adds another layer of safety, especially when you're flying in tricky environments. On the tech side, there's better connectivity too. It uses a stronger wireless signal, so the video you see on your screen stays clear and smooth. Even when the drone is far away, this is really useful for people who want to film something in real time or just need to stay focused during longer flights. The controller is also getting a redesign. It's now more ergonomic, so it feels better in your hands, which helps during longer flying sessions because your hands won't get tired so fast. There are different bundles expected for the Flip 2. You can go for the basic version with just the drone and a few must-haves, or go for the full kit that includes a remote controller, extra batteries, a charging hub, a carrying case, and filters for different lighting needs. What makes the Flip 2 exciting isn't just the features, it's how easy everything feels. Whether you're launching it in a big open field or taking off in a small backyard, the drone adjusts fast and helps you stay in control even if the wind picks up or the light starts to change. And with all these smart tools built in, you don't have to be an expert to get great shots. The drone helps with the flying and filming, so you can focus on being creative. We don't have the full official details yet from DJI, but if the leaks and early info are accurate, then this could be one of the best portable drones for casual users and pros alike. So that's the DJI Flip 2. It's a drone that brings together smart tech, a great camera, and a super compact design all in one small package, whether you're flying for fun or creating high-quality content. This drone seems ready for both. The AI tools make it easier to film moving subjects without doing much manually, and the foldable build makes it easy to travel with and use just about anywhere. You can take it on hikes, city trips, or even just use it around the neighborhood. It's also built with safety in mind, thanks to its covered propellers and smooth flight style. It feels safe and stable while still being really fun to fly here. At Factic, We think this could be a solid pick for anyone who wants something that's easy to use but still delivers amazing results. If you liked this breakdown, make sure to give it a like and drop a comment. Tell us what you think about the Flip 2, and if you'd get one for yourself. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss our next tech video. See you next time.